Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Amy from With Love by Amy. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to be making envelopes, DIY envelopes. So this is the finished product, and I'm going to show you basically how you can make envelopes, and you can apply this for any size that you need. So I'm going to give you basically the rundown of how I did it with dimensions that, you know, like what you need on top of the size of card you need. So this one we are scoring for the back panel with the flap. So I do 3/4 of an inch for the top flap and a 1/2 inch for the bottom flap on this card. And then both of the flaps I angle in with scissors so that they will look prettier and fit together better. And then we're going to score 1/4 of an inch on each side. So basically anything, the panel that you need, this is going to need to be a 1/2 inch bigger than the card that you're making, or whatever you're going to fit in the envelope. So I think this one was 2.5 inches wide because it has 1/4 inch on each side. And then we're going to angle cut in down at the top so that you can open the envelope and also flip, you know, stick the flap in there. I'm sure there are plenty of other ways that you could do this as well, but this is how I decided to do it. And then you're going to put adhesive, which you'll see me do in just a second. I put score tape on each of those folded flaps, which you'll see me do right now. And the process to make an envelope like this is relatively quick and easy. I did a whole bunch of these. It was really a pain in the butt. I did like 40 of them. We were going to try to do a monthly chore chart thing for my kids, and guess what? I made the envelopes, and then we never did it. So, oh well, it is what it is.
Oh, really?
But now I have 40 tiny envelopes. So yeah. All right, so there's tape on both sides there. And then this is the back panel. We're going to put tape on the bottom folded flap. And that's up to you if you want that to be on the inside or outside. Some people do it on the inside, some people do it on the outside. Just really depends on, you know, how you want it to look. You're going to put score tape on the bottom flap as well. The only flap that's not going to get any score tape is that top flap. And that's part of the reason that I make the top flap bigger than the other flap, so that I know which one is the top and which is the bottom. But yeah, there's the score tape on that one. And see, I angle cut the flap down there at the bottom as well so that it will fit together nicely. And I'm sure that there are probably other ideas on how to assemble this. However, this is what I decided to do. And I did also see I'm angle cutting the corners down there on those flaps as well a little bit, and so that they fold together nicely. And I just fold them in and stick the adhesive on them. And then there's your envelope. It looks really cute, and it's done. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this envelope, because yeah, like I said, I made a whole bunch of them and I thought they were cute, and now they're just sitting there. Thank you so much for watching. Here's some other videos that you may enjoy. Let me know if there's anything else that you'd like to see me do. Have a great day and see you soon. Bye.